here. Why I'm using a DC Super Gross because I don't know. I don't know where's my OPS, so I just had to use this one. And my OPS is in my home, and now I'm in the grandma's house. No, I forgot. This is my house. I think obviously I messed up, but it's okay. So, Cat Girl, please do not leave YouTube. I love you so much. You were the first one who even liked my videos. You commented sometimes, but sometimes you didn't. But please do not leave. I will miss you so much. And if you're gonna upload on your other channel, Crazy Panda, please upload like LPSers and live streams on it. And mini boo videos. Not just like animations, you know. But if you leave, just please post videos on your other channel. Do not leave. Guys, if you leave YouTube, I will miss you. Don't leave YouTube. I warned you guys. I warned you. Do not leave YouTube. Alright, bye guys.